Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer chicken wings with honey barbecue sauce. Let's begin. We'll need 1 tablespoon of salt and also 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Mix it all together. We're going to season the 12 chicken wings. Flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, we flipped it all over and now season the other side. You can be generous with the seasoning. There we go. This is what it looks like before we preheat the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button and we'll get preheated to 400 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken wings. Okay, we have all the 12 chicken wings in. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 22 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 11 minutes so far at 400 degrees. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip over the chicken wings. There we go, we flipped over the 12 chicken wings. And now let's put it back in for the last 11 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 22 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's brush some honey barbecue sauce on it. We have here some Sweet Baby Ray honey barbecue sauce, and we're going to pour some into a bowl. Take the sauce and brush it onto the wings. There we go. We're going to flip them over and do the same thing. There we go, we flipped them all over. And now let's brush some of the honey barbecue sauce on the other side. There we go, we brushed some barbecue sauce on both sides of the chicken wings. We're going to put the chicken wings back in the air fryer and turn it back to 400 degrees for a total time of 2 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 2 minutes at 400 degrees with the sauce. Now let's take them out. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer chicken wings with Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.